My seminary classmate and I were on our way to pick up the summer conference keynote speaker. It was raining cats and dogs that night. As I was driver, I was responsible for their lives. The seminary's car was very old, and the headlights didn't function too well in the dark amid the pouring rain. On the way to pick up our guests, we almost had a fatal accident. It was really a scary moment. Amid the furious storm, disciples of Jesus were very afraid. Jesus Christ responded by rebuking their little faith in him and the turbulent storm. There are all kinds of physical and spiritual storms in our life, but don't be afraid, because Jesus Christ is the one who is in charge of everything. Let's ponder the words of Matthew. He replied, "You of little faith, why are you so afraid?" Then he got up and rebuked the winds and the waves, and it was completely calm. Let's pose a question to God. Dear Jesus, could you give me the courage to face the storm that I am facing now? Let's practice what you learned. Pray that you will not be afraid and trust in Jesus amid your storm. Let's proclaim to others about your experiential knowledge. Amid your storm, share the lesson that you have learned with a new Christian.